The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Licking County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Summit Station, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Locations impacted include Granville, Buckeye Lake, Heath, Newark. In addition, Alexandria, Kirkersville, Granville South, Hebron, Harbor Hills, Hanover, Brownsville, and Grady are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 114 and 142. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.